काँग्रेस आज हे जे डिव्हिजन म्हणटा तुमी ताजे खातीर तुमकां दोश दिता, रेव्होल्युशनरी गोवन्सांक दोश दिता, TMCक दोश दिता, दॅट ही कॉल्ड यू आर वन ऑफ दी डिवायडर्स. तुमी ह्या गजालीक जाप कशी दिता?
पळय, दोन गजाली. आमचे 2 आज आमदार निवडून आयले. आमच्या आनिकय येवपाचे. प्रॉबेबली काँग्रेस where they had no strength, they put in their candidates and they divided the votes which are more towards secular, more to against corruption. आज कोणूच कोणाकच डिव्हिजन ऑफ वोट्स म्हणपाक शकना. आरजीचोय आज आमदार एक निवडून आयिल्लो आसा, पण आरजी आनी आम आदमी पार्टीचे वोट कॉम्बिनेशन जर तूं पळयत जाल्यार प्रॉबेबली वी वूड हॅव गॉट एटलीस्ट 10 to 15 MLAs टुगेदर. एंड खंय तरी division of votes, which if Congress feels that it is because of these two parties that they have got divided, then they are fools. They were living in fool's paradise. They had no leadership qualities. They lacked leaders. They borrowed 2 leaders thereafter, and then they formed whatever that they won. But ते जर वर्सभर पयलीं करपाक लागिल्ले, प्रायमरी ऑपोजिशन आमी आशिल्ले, इवन दो वी हॅड नो पर्सन इन असेंब्ली, नो MLA इन असेंब्ली. काँग्रेस न्हिदिल्ली. 2 महिने 3 महिन्या पयलीं जावन तुमी जागे जावन तुमी ब्लेम करप. I think it is obvious that you had no core strength which you lacked, so don't blame others. पण आज आरजीचो आनी आम आदमी पार्टीचो जर तूं स्ट्रेंथ पळयत दोगांयचो जाल्यार देर इज अ सर्टन lacuna which was there, which both these parties are trying to fill up somewhere. पण आरजीचे हे सांगू शकता की we are not extremists. We know to take people together, all of us, all the Goans who have settled in Goa. As the divisions on various lines, on religious lines, by one party is playing religious politics, one party is playing regional politics, one party is saying that we'll sit on the fence and we will not say anything about this. While we are taking stand, we are saying that we have to understand Goa and Goans. आज 60 वर्सांनी गोंयान वेगवेगळ्या गांवचे लोक सेटल जाल्यात, वेगवेगळ्या जाती धर्माचे लोक सेटल जाल्यात, and they are Goans. So we know how to take Goa and Goans ahead.